Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an ancient helmet in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, get your materials ready. The first step is to gather the items you need to do the repair. You cannot fix the helmet with just your hands, you need the right stuff from the world. Find a special block called an anvil and place it on the ground. Make sure you have your broken ancient helmet and some extra netherite ingots in your bag, because you need a strong surface to work on. The extra metal acts like a patch for the holes in your helmet. You have to have these items ready so the game knows you have the right parts to make your armor whole again. Next, open the repair menu. You need to use the tool that lets you combine items together. Walk up to the anvil and click on it to see the boxes. Look for the two empty squares where you can put your items. The anvil is the only place where you can fix things without losing the special powers on them. It ensures you can work on your helmet safely. This box is the only way to tell the game exactly which piece of gear you want to fix right now. Next, put your items in the boxes. Now you are going to place your broken helmet and the repair material into the squares. Put the broken ancient helmet in the first box and the metal ingot in the second box. Look at the third box to see the new, fixed helmet waiting for you, because it shows you how much work points you need to spend to finish the job. By putting the items in the right order, you are telling the computer to use the metal to fill in the cracks. It is the key step to getting the right output. After that, just click on the fixed helmet in the last box and pull it into your inventory. You will hear a loud clink sound, which means the work is done. And that's it. To fix an ancient helmet in Minecraft, you must first get an anvil and metal, then open the repair menu. Next, you place the helmet and metal in the boxes, and finally take the new helmet out. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.